so sorry it took so long to make part 2. But today's my birthday now. Guess what age I am now? I'm 33. Yes, I am that age. Yes, today is my birthday. But we're still to make this fridge. So, yeah. So I gotta make this fridge. First, I gotta put some shelves right here for something. Sorry guys, I have to like redecorate everything. So I shouldn't have like done that. I did the fridge. Ashley can go back to college because they must be wondering where you are. No, I told the principal that I was coming over to see you. So he said I can stay as long as I want. So yeah, okay. So can please get Leah and the Mimi. I haven't seen Mimi. I haven't seen Mimi in so long. Okay, I'm gonna go check the other fridge to see if there's any more dirt. And you can go get your sisters. Yes, mom. I'll surely do that. Come on, me. So this is right here. Oh my thing. Let's go upstairs to get my little sisters. Okay, what's up here? Leah, Mimi. Oh, hi, Mimi. Hi, Ashley. Leah. Hi, Ashley. I've seen you in a long time. Ugly sister. You're ugly too. Oh wait, was that Lucas? Hi, Lucas. Oh, cute puppy, he still is. Yeah, he's my puppy, so back off. I have to be so rude about it. Cause he's my puppy. He's our puppy. We both wanted a dog, remember? There you go, Lucas. But he's my puppy, and I love him more than you because he follows me around. Come, Lucas. Doesn't matter if he follows you around. He's still our puppy, our house dog. He is just a puppy. He's our little puppy dog. Come here. Lucas. There's why you want to call us down here for? Wait, what do you want? I just wanted to say hi to you guys. And we haven't seen you guys in a long time because I'm about to leave. We're about to leave. Why so early, Ashley? Why so early? So I have like an exam coming up soon. I have to get back to my dorm to study. Well, lucky you came back to pass by. Can I get a hug before you go, Ashley? Sure, Mimi. Yeah. I hope you come back tomorrow. No worries, tomorrow's gonna be Saturday, so I'll be able to come back. Okay, I'm connecting to my froggy iPad. You passing all your clothes to Mimi, huh? Okay, good. Where's the bathroom? I forgot where the bathroom is again. It's upstairs. Haven't been there in a long time so you get the oh my gosh, I can't load this right now. I'm gonna get my iPad and relax. You can just go back to sleep, Lucas. We'll play with your little tennis ball, whatever. On my iPad. Third floor. I know. I know it's Cookies Wilsey. You know what's Cookies Wilsey? She's my favorite. She's in Roblox. I wish I had Roblox. Yeah, if you had Roblox, I would like friend your Roblox because I have Roblox. Even though I'm just playing kitty games, and I have Roblox. Okay. Anyways, have fun watching Cookies Wilsey. I'll have to go pee. I'm not saying that out loud. I'll see you guys on the third floor. Oh, the bathroom looks so much different. And much better. I didn't came up to use the bathroom, I came up here to use the bath bombs. I didn't want to do it anyway. I wanted to use the bath bombs all along. Because up the dorm, is the worst. There's nothing fun up there. Get in there, bath bomb. It's purple, my gosh. I love coming to mom's house. Oh, I'm coming here every day after our classes. It's just amazing. Should have 1,000 of these back at home, but we don't even have a tub. That was really quick. But now I don't need the bathroom anyway. I just wanted to check out the bath bombs. Why am I rubbing? Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I should put my rug with me. The glasses, I can really see them. But they're really cute. I'm ready to draw on these. Look at the photos of me and Mom, and Leah, and Mimi, which is a baby. Up here is just the best. I just love coming to Mom's house. Wish I could just stay living here, but I have to go back to college. Yeah, I'm doing right now because my Uber is almost here. What am I saying? I have a car. I should just stay at Mom's forever. Did Mom forget about that clock in the window that the birds keep pecking on? Out there. Right there. Anyways, I don't care about anything right now. This is the best bathroom. They have a little kitty thing right here. Oh, I wish I could just stay in this bathroom because it's so pretty. And everyone knows a plant in there in the room makes everything comfy. And I'm gonna go back downstairs until Mom bye. So I'll guys see you guys on the first floor downstairs. Tell my mom bye. Cousin, I'm recording. Oh my gosh, I'm about to tell Mom bye. Again. Mom. Mom! Mom! Oh, sorry. I was just looking at the box to see if there was something wrong. No, you crazy woman! What is wrong with you? Usually 33, they're getting crazy. Mom! Why are you stuck behind the fridge? Get away from there. I guess. Sorry about that. No! Why were you stuck back behind the refrigerator? I'm looking at the back of it to see if it wants to be clean. No! You're going mad! You're 33! Let's forget you when you get older. No, you're going crazy! Crazy! Sorry. It doesn't need to be clean around there. If it did, I'll do it. I'm getting older. Yeah, and no, you're just getting crazy. You're supposed to be stuck in the fridge. Coming from part 3. Got my mom beside you and she's crazy. Also, happy birthday, Mom. But you're just going crazy.